Hey guys, I wanted to show you my setup for my virtual streaming, and so I thought a video would be helpful. So this is the space that I use, and if you can see, I tape a little dot on the floor because that is my guide mark, so that when I'm filming, I know that I cannot step past that mark, otherwise I go out of the camera. And so this is my space, and I wanted to come closer. I'll show you the equipment here. So I have, and I posted all of this equipment in the thread too. So this is what it looks like. Okay, I'm going to show you what it looks like, and then I'll go through each piece. Speaker, mic, front webcam, computer, and then I do have a second webcam extended over here, and this is capturing my side view. So this is totally optional, you do not need this, but it's actually a really awesome feature, and I've just found it really useful when I'm queuing and talking to people and saying, I just say, check the side cam, check the side cam. Do you see how my knee is over my ankle? Lots of awesome reminders there and visuals, because there's a lot that people can't see from a front view. Okay, so let me show you the equipment, and then I'll tell you what I like about it all, what I don't like, and then I'll show you the software that I'm using. So my webcam, let's start with those. I have a Logitech 920, this was 60 bucks, and I bought this stand on Amazon. I love this stand. I want to buy another one. It's super heavy. It's heavy duty. This is heavy duty stand. It's so stable, and I can adjust everything, the height, the angles, that little ball twists around. So I really, really like this. I'm going to get another one. And then this webcam, I'm going to buy a second Logitech. I have another Logitech I'll show you, but it's not as good. And I'll tell you why I don't like it. So that's this webcam. The other webcam I have is a Logitech as well. And the only reason I bought the cheap one, this was 20 bucks at Target. I bought this cheap one because I didn't really know if I was going to use a side camera or not. And I'm definitely going to keep using a side camera. But what I don't like about this one, the quality of it is fine. It's fine. But there's no tripod attachment. So I can't, you know how that one I showed you have that nice stand? I wouldn't be able to use that stand with this, which is just ridiculous. So I am gonna get a second nice, quote unquote, nice camera so that I can actually have a tripod and not use tape. I did have to buy a USB extension cord. I bought this at Best Buy. I wish I would have gotten a longer one because this one I have to raise up. I think this was 15 feet. I think it's a 15 footer, so I would get something longer. I also had to buy a USB splitter. This was 15 bucks on Amazon. So it plugs into my one USB port that I have, and then it splits it for me because you'll have lots of USB attachments. Both webcams are USB, so these USB jacks are my two webcams, and it's my extension cord to my webcam, and then this other jack is my ATR mic. So this microphone I had, and you probably don't need this, but I had it, so I was like, I might as well use it. What this is doing is it is capturing the music and my voice that comes out of this speaker, and then it captures it all so that it's going to my stream. I have never tried it without it. It probably would be just fine. I mean, you could probably just have your computer or your webcam capturing the sound, and it would be fine. But I had it, so I used it. Now my speaker, my Block Rocker speaker. I really love my Block Rocker speaker because I can control my voice and my music separate. So I do have a wireless headset mic, which this is the receiver for it. So the receiver just plugs in nice and easy. It turns on. I'm not using it right now. And I can control my voice. So this is the control for the voice on the microphone. And I can control this separate. So if I turn this up, it only turns my voice up. And then if I turn my music up, I stream from I Bluetooth from my phone. So then I just keep the volume on my phone. That's how I control the volume of the music. So you can control them separate. So you can find the perfect ratio of your voice to music that way. And then you can use the master volume, which turns them up and down together. Okay, so it's really cool because you can get the perfect ratio separate, and then you can control it all together too, without adjusting those ratios. And this is really awesome because the Block Rocker plugs in. It's a tailgating speaker, and it's like a suitcase. It's awesome. I can wheel it around. It goes with me everywhere. I mean, not everywhere, but when I go anywhere to teach fitness. and it stays charged. So you charge it up, like it's not plugged in right now, and it's been going for a few hours now. And it's made to do that because it's a tailgating speaker. So let me show you my software then. So let me first show you, this is what YouTube looks like when you stream. And you can then, I use the chat box to talk to my people who are on. I'm working on kind of incorporating Zoom, but I just haven't figured out how I want to do that yet. Now the software that I'm using is called OBS. It's free. It's a streaming software. It's totally free. Now think PowerPoint, because this is so cool. Now it looks intimidating to use, but it's not. It's actually very, very simple. You basically create slides, okay? So like down here, these are my slides, or they're called scenes. So I have a welcome screen, I have a reminder screen, I have a schedule, a workout cam, and a thank you screen. So when my people start the stream, they see this screen. This is my welcome screen, and I've created this. You just add text, you add pictures, you can add graphics, you can add anything you want. You can add GIFs. So I found this GIF of 𝗟𝗓. So this is all they see. They see this streaming, it has music, and for the first 15 minutes, I always start at 15 minutes early so they can come on, check their sound, because I have a song playing. And then right at the class start time, I switch over to my reminder scene. Hey, and you can see this is where my webcam is capturing me, and now I can start talking about my reminders. And this is so amazing because again, you can make whatever you want. You can create anything you want, and you can move yourself around. See how I'm moving myself around? Like that's my webcam box, and you can just place that wherever you want. You can make that bigger or smaller, like I can shrink myself, and you can layer things. Like right now that's behind everything, so I can go behind that. This is how cool it is, and it's really easy to use. Then when it's time to work out, or actually let me show you, then I have my schedule scene, which is just a picture of my class schedule, so I can remind them when I'm teaching. Sorry, I should come down into the actual video, but I have to crouch so low. I taught Turbo today, that's why Turbo is up. And then my workout cam. So what happens on the workout cam is, it's not showing right now because I don't have my side camera turned on, but on this side of the screen, you see the front camera. And then on this side, and I have it set to be right about there, you'll see my full side view. So it's front view, side view. And then when it's done, I have my thank you screen, and I say thank you for coming, and I remind them to follow me and to share and to spread the word and all that good stuff, and then we're done. So that's OBS. It's amazing. It's so amazing. It's so easy to use. The other thing with OBS that's really awesome is that it shows you can really see your audio. You can really fine tune your settings for your sound quality. And so right now it's picking up my ATR mic, and it's showing me like if I'm in the green and the yellow, that's good. Once I get to the red, that's not good. So you can really fine tune things. And this is a little more advanced, but it's not difficult. It just takes some learning. So that's my setup. That is my setup. So I'll just show you one more time. Let me focus here if my camera does it. So simple, everything's just USB. Everything's USB, everything's portable. I fit everything in that little backpack right there, except for my speaker, and then my side cam. So you guys ask me any questions, I'm really willing to help, because it's really cool that we can do this, and it's been a really fun way to reach people virtually, and to teach and to do it, and it's been really fun. Okay, ask me any questions, I hope this is helpful, bye-bye.